So I first speak for you because you're more later speak for them, okay? And in the time of the king, there was no this road at all. So now, can you see to our level, like white mark? Yeah. This is in 1949. The floor is a little bad, but 1949 here, the first thing every person finds. And the thing is, no flavor the newspaper at all. Go home, I imagine he said to the wife, "Lady, wife, get over here. You can't imagine how beautiful is the place I'm working in." So the problem, it was 3-4 deaths a year. Please, you can make flour, chocolate, but no gluten, no lactose, natural sugar. And this tree is 200 years because the carrot grow really slow. We have trees that maybe grow faster, but normally they're short trees. Vale, que aquí se ve el leñazo que se metería si se cae. Great grandfather of the octopus. Okay, este sería el get break to the other side, get released to the side and the end in the bottom. This happened in 2000, really mediatic, and with that they say, enough. We close this, no more people will get inside for that. So that's the reason why you can see the plague, they're all just lying there.
Ja, du kan godt løbe